You've probably seen the viral scene of Tesla's Optimus Gen 4. Human-like movement, autonomous decisions, no joystick, no remote control. But what most people don't understand is this. Optimus is not impressive because it looks human. It's impressive because of the AI systems running underneath. Today, I'll break down how Optimus Gen 4 actually works, not the hardware hype, but the intelligence workflow behind it. Most people think robots work like machines. Input, command, output. Optimus doesn't. Optimus runs on layers of intelligence, very similar to how modern AI agents work. Think of it less like a robot and more like an autonomous employee with vision, memory, decision logic, feedback loops. Everything starts with perception. Optimus doesn't see like humans. It interprets the world through computer vision, depth sensing, object recognition, spatial awareness. This is powered by the same neural network stack Tesla uses for self-driving cars. In simple terms, the robot doesn't memorize environments. It continuously understands them. This is real-time situational awareness. Seeing is not intelligence. Decision-making is. Optimus Gen 4 runs on task planning models, reinforcement learning, context-aware prioritization. Meaning, it doesn't just execute instructions. It evaluates options before acting. This is the same principle behind AI agents used in productivity workflows. Observe, decide, act, learn. Here's where Gen 4 becomes dangerous in a good way. Optimus doesn't reset after every task. It learns from repetition, improves efficiency, refines movement, reduces error over time. This is continuous learning, not pre-programming. Exactly how advanced AI systems improve workflows for businesses. Let's simplify Optimus Gen 4 into a workflow. 1. Perceive environment. 2. Interpret context. 3. Choose action. 4. Execute movement. 5. Receive feedback. 6. Improve next cycle. That's not robotics. That's systems intelligence. And this same workflow is what smart entrepreneurs are now using with AI planners, AI agents, AI copilots. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most humans work with less structure than Optimus. No clear inputs, no feedback loops, no memory system, no optimization. That's why AI feels magical. It's not magic. It's systems done right. That viral Optimus scene isn't about robots taking over jobs. It's about how intelligence is now built. And if machines can operate using clear workflows, so can humans with the right AI systems. If you came here from the Optimus short, this channel breaks down how these systems work and how you can use them. Subscribe to AI Productivity Hub.